Hello everyone. The given question is solve the following equation for x, and the equation is 2x minus 3 equals to square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21. To solve this type of given equation, first taking square to the both sides. After taking to the both sides, what we get? 2x minus 3 whole square and square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21 whole square. Okay, so now expanding in the form of a minus b whole square. So what we get? 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to, here it's become removing the square root, so we get 2x square minus 2x plus 21. Okay, now arranging the like terms, what we get? 4x square plus 2x square becomes minus 2x square in the left hand side, and minus 12x, and here minus 2x becomes plus 2x plus 9, and plus 21 becomes minus 21 on the left side. Okay, it's become equals to 0. So 4x square minus 2x square is become 2x square, and minus 12x plus 2x is become minus 10x, and 9 minus 21 is become minus 12 equals to 0. We can see that here 2 is the common factor of these three terms, so we can take 2 as a common. Okay, so it becomes x square minus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0. It is a form of the quadratic equation. Okay, it is a form of the quadratic equation. So after that, we solve the quadratic equation in middle term x. So here 6 can be divided into 6 and 1. Okay, so and 6 into 1 is equals to 6, and 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. It becomes this line. Okay, now write x square minus 6x plus x is minus 6 is equals to 0. Now taking x as a common term from the first two terms. Okay, it becomes x minus 6 and plus 1, it becomes x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now taking x minus 6 as a common term, x minus 6 into x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so now we applied the zero product rule. Remember the zero product rule? Zero product rule. Zero product rule. What is the zero product rule? Zero product rule: a into b is equals to 0. Then either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Okay. So here either x minus 6 is equals to 0, that becomes x is equals to 6, or x plus 1 is equals to 0, which gives you x is equals to minus 1. So here we get the values of x are 6 and minus 1. What do you think? This is the answer? No, you have to remember, when squaring of both sides of the equation is done, then the roots of the final equation must check to determine whether they are the roots of the original equation or not. So now we check the x is equals to 6 and x is equals to minus 1 is the roots of the equation or not. So first write the given equation. What is the equation? 2x minus 3 is equals to square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21. So first check for x is equals to minus 1. So the x is equals to minus 1. So substitute x is equals to minus 1 in the given equation. What we get? 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is equals to square root of, what we get? 2 into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 21. Okay, so what we get? Minus 2 minus 3, okay, is equals to, here it becomes 2 plus 2 plus 21. Okay, so what we get? We get here minus 5 is equals to, here it is, what is the value? Square root of 25. What is the square root of 25? Minus 5 is equals to plus 5, which is wrong. Okay, which is wrong. Okay, minus 5 does not equals to, minus 5 does not equals to plus 5. Okay, so therefore x is equals to minus 1 does not satisfy satisfy the given equation. So x is equals to -1 is rejected. Okay, so x minus 1 is not a root of the given equation. Now check for x is equals to 6. Okay, x is equals to 6, the another roots of the given equation. So first write the given equation. 2x minus 3 is equals to square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21. So x is equals to 6. Substitute x is equals to 6. So what we get? 2 into 6 minus 3 is equals to square root of 2 into 6 square minus 2 into 6 minus 21. So what we get? 12 minus 3 is equals to square root of 2 into here 36 minus 12, sorry, it's a plus 21. Okay, so here is 9 and here is 36 and 2 is 72 minus 12 plus 21. So here 9 is equals to root 81. It becomes, after the calculating, we get root 81. So here 9 is equals to 9, which satisfies the given equation or not. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Left hand side is 9. Right hand side also is 9. So it's the x minus 6 is the roots of the given equation. Okay. So therefore x minus 6 satisfies the given equation. Hence the root of the given equation is 6. So here we get only one solution, x is equals to 6, and x is equals to -1 is not a solution of the given equation. So remember how to solve this type of the problem, and must remember the rules to solve this type of the problem. Thank you.